Good morning, everybody. It is just about 4 o'clock now, and our Uber is arriving for the first time. I'm actually glad to say that we're able to take an Uber now instead of just a taxi. It is going to save us money. And we're all outfitted and we're ready to go once he arrives. Alright, let's go meet our Uber driver.
You sure you go to the front?
Yeah, because his GPS is there. It's just like skip. Oh, look at that. That's him. Probably. It looks like a Kia.
Very strange.
Mm-hmm. Good morning.
Hey, morning, how are you?
Not too bad, how are you?
Good. Just give me a second. Please.
Sure thing.
Just give me luggage.
Thank you.
Just a little one.
Yeah. You go ahead to International Airport.
Yes.
This is good, man. I start here. And
All right, well, we're at the airport now. Made it just in time. It's 4:30. The Uber app said we were supposed to be here. Uber app said we were supposed to be here a little bit earlier, but we're here right on time. So now we're checking. So I'm just sitting on the other side of US Customs inside the airport, and I'm not too sure what's going on, but I made it past the bus got held up for some reason. Didn't take very long. I only had to sit there for a couple minutes. So what was
I'm gonna be diplomatic because this is going on the internet and that's like border people. So I'm gonna be diplomatic in what I say. But let's just say that you got an easy person and I got an awful person. He was very awful. That's all I'm gonna say. Because I don't really feel like I should speak much more than that on the internet. Fair enough?
Fair enough. But at least we're past customs. We'll be on a plane soon after we get coffee and a Monster, which I got the energy drink straight ahead. Alright, so basically, well, this is pretty cool. Basically, Leslie didn't want to say it, but Leslie feels that the border guard was being a little bit unfair. Part of Nexus is that you don't need to have a passport to be able to fly within Canada and US. It's the way you go through all the stuff that you go through. And we obviously go through Canada, US all the time because we... Oh, there she is. Hold on. She feels that she was treated unfairly, and because of that, they're basically making her get a passport. So after we come back, before she can, I guess, travel again, we get gas lots in the States. I don't think we're gonna have a problem going to get gas, but I think next time we fly anywhere, we're gonna have to get a passport, and that's probably that. So I got waved through, no problem. It's no big deal because that's the way it's supposed to be. So I don't know. So is it real for you yet?
No.
It's not real yet. We're past security.
I feel gross.
Why is that?
He ruined my appetite. He just he's a jerk.
Yeah, I guess it's safe to say that he's a jerk.
I straight up asked him, so are you gonna let me go today? So I'm not gonna be able to go today? And that's when he was like, on this condition.
Right. least you had some coffee.
It's really hot though.
You know.
I don't.
Well, if they gave you cold coffee, then you'd be complaining.
No, but it's really hot though. Like, this is how hot it is when you request extra hot from Starbucks.
Oh, take the lid off. Pull it.
It's extra hot. You want this?
Yeah, I guess I'll eat it.
Have some of it, and I need the last couple
Let's see,
bites.
otherwise you're gonna regret it once we get in the flight.
Eat half of that. I'll eat the other half of it, but not until after you eat your half.
No, it's real. Oh my god, it's raining so hard. Like, actually so hard. But we're finally on. We're walking out to the plane. It's not that big, but hey, we did it. Ooh, Wi-Fi. I might have to buy some. Morning. Wow, look at that.
Hold that for a second.
Why? Oh. I don't know. This is confusing. So we're in the airport and we have to take the train to our bags.
This is the final stop. Exit now for Terminal 3 baggage claim, ground transportation, ticketing, and e-gates. Please check for all personal belongings before leaving the train.
Did you bring golf clubs? Yep. And there's the other one. That's actually... super efficient.
Can you walk over?
I know, right?
That's rude.
He's one of those people.
Cars are this way. You could have walked towards us. The cars are this way. You're dead?
Well, no, I'm charging my phone bill.
And your watch.
My watch is basically dead. It was down to like 10%.
Oh, wow.
I didn't charge it last night.
Oh.
So while I was waiting, I was charging this. I'm like, oh, well, since I'm charging that, I might as well charge this.
Yeah, makes sense. Well, nice to see you.
Yeah?
We're all reunited here.
Yeah, like $700 later.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah, at least for us anyway.
Yeah.
Hey, Leslie told you?
No, she's...
I
Oh.
screenshotted everything and sent it to him.
Oh, shit, yeah.
At least it's not the whole thing canceled.
Yeah.
What other
2431.
24. 8.
Huh?
2458.
So right. Oh. Now.
It's not bad.
No, it's actually pretty elegant. All things considered, I'm very impressed by this.
I think I might have gotten something wrong.
Oh, yeah, I think I saw it. Fresh air ventilation push. They don't actually let you open it. Oh, yeah. It's a pretty sweet view.
Watch the roller coaster.
Yeah.
Is this for life with Leslie?
Yeah. Why? This is my life with Leslie.
Can we down to like chill for like 30 minutes?
I'm starving. I'd rather eat sooner than later if we
I need
can.
you to like freshen up. I feel disgusting. I need to like.
Alright, everybody, so you saw the initial walk-in, so let's just go through everything. Here is the bathroom. Hi, everybody. This one comes with a complimentary hairdryer. Some of them that we've been in. One of the other ones we didn't have one. It's like a makeup mirror with the light. Counters aren't too bad. Looks like a pretty okay bathroom. The shower looks pretty decent though. Everything's tile on the floor. The shower head kind of looks like it's okay. It's really nice otherwise. I think it's pretty nice. It's clean, but I would feel like for the price range I wouldn't expect anything less, and it's kind of a clean. What else? You come out and a nice little mirror. The whole thing has this kind of like finish to it. 2 beds. The view. The great view. It's so nice. We're gonna do that later. Not necessarily today, but at some point. The lady was also very nice. We got lucky. We were able to check in early. We had 11. What time is it now? Not even 11. We were supposed to check in at 3 o'clock, and it's only 1:19, and we were able to get in. Flat screen TV, swivels, very nice like desk charging. I'm charging some of my stuff because I use a lot of battery on the airplane. Nice view of the desert and the MGM Grand and the Strip. There's Las Vegas Boulevard and the airport we just came from right there. Hilton Grand Vacation. This is so cool. I'm so excited to be here. We got really lucky on all of our flights. Kelly was just saying that his flight from Swoop wasn't that great. It was pretty cramped. Everything was chart. Like, you had to pay for everything. And then we went and we paid more money, but with our accident, everything ended up being complimentary. We had okay seats on the first flight, and then the second one with United, we got upgraded last minute for free to Economy Plus, so we had slightly better seating way more legroom. Like, it was just so comfortable. I wish we had that first flight here. That kind of legroom. There's a badass roller coaster. So yeah, we're just gonna clean up. Leslie got a birthday girl. Birthday? Just birthday.
Just happy birthday.
Otherwise, yeah. I mean, I don't think we're gonna spend too much time here. Everything's about Vegas, right? We're not here to not really here to hang out and do whatever. So can't complain. Put up our feet for another 15-20 minutes, and then
Pays to ask, hey?
yeah, it does pay to ask. So now we're just at the shops at the Luxor. I just couldn't remember exactly what it was called, and the stuff that's in here is pretty sweet. These are all rooms on the outside, so all the rooms face the outside.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Bodies, Titanic. Wow. Strips. Oh, look at that. Starbucks. You in for a coffee?